Hey, my name is Jessica. I'm from North Carolina. I joined the CleanFoodCrush challenge here in January 2023. I'm super excited because I've already lost about 11.5 pounds from this first month of doing the CleanFoodCrush challenge. I'm absolutely obsessed with the entire team. They're so supportive, so direct, so encouraging, and I really truly feel like all of the recipes that Rachel provides are clean, great for my family, and they're super easy and delicious to make. So being on the CleanFoodCrush challenge really hasn't been difficult. It's given me a whole new lease on life. I'm super excited to keep going and to take everything that I've learned and make true lifestyle changes for not only myself, but for my family. So if you're interested, I highly encourage. There's no gimmicks. It's easy, it's fun, supportive, and man, the changes I'm hopeful will last a lifetime. So thank you.